Hello, my name is Paola and my alter ego is Holistic Woman. Okay, my personal information. I am a woman who promotes the awakening of conscience and spirituality in other women. I help other women to empower themselves and believe in themselves. Achievements and trips. I have written 2 books on female empowerment. My community reached 2 million followers. Okay, travels. I have traveled to places in Latin America like Peru and Ecuador. In Colombia, I have visited the Guajira and the Amazon. Memorable experience. When I traveled to La Guajira, it was very exciting for me that the Guayu community welcomed me warmly and they were always willing to learn new things. When I traveled to Cusco in Peru, I met their wonderful culture. They are very hospitable people and I feel in love with their delicious food. Okay, to learn and already more than teaching, I have been an apprentice to every person. I have been fortunate enough to me. To do, I might improve my English and to reach more women in the world. Okay, thanks. Bye.